Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy India. I request you all to kindly subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get notified about new videos. My name is Himanshi Sharma. I hope all of you are doing good. Today we will see the poem Why. This poem is given in class 4 English book Marigold. Today we will discuss question answers and complete NCERT exercise. So let's discuss question answers first. First question is, name a few things that sink. Answer: marbles, eraser, coins, ring, lock and key. Next question is, list 3 questions that the little boy asked. So the answer is, the 3 questions that the little boy asked are, why wood should swim, why sun should shine, why wind should blow. Next question is, what sort of a boy is described in the poem? And here 3 options are given: sad, curious or brave. So the correct answer is curious. That boy is curious. Now let's talk. Ram is a curious little boy. He is always asking questions. One day he came home and asked his grandfather questions like, why can't we look at the sun during a solar eclipse? Why can't we touch the sun? Why can't we go out to play in the dark? Discuss these questions with your teacher and class. Do you know the answers? So friends, you might have same questions in your mind. So let's discuss them one by one. Why can't we look at the sun during a solar eclipse? It is so because we can't look at the sun during a solar eclipse as the sun radiation can harm our eyes. Exposing our eyes to the sun without proper eye protection during a solar eclipse can cause eclipse blindness. Next question is, why can't we touch the sun? We can't touch the sun because it is very far from us. Also, the sun is a ball of fire. It is too hot to touch. Next one is, why can't we go out to play in the dark? We can't go out to play in the dark because we will not be able to see anything and can even fall down while playing. Now it's word building time. Filling the blanks with words from the poem which rhyme with the colored words in the sentences. So friends, let's see the sentences one by one and filling the blank with rhyming word of the colored word so that it becomes a meaningful sentence. First one is, why is the dash so high? We can fill the blank with sky. Sky and why are rhyming words. So the sentence will be, why is the sky so high? Next one is, do you know the color of dash? We can fill up the blank with snow because no and snow are rhyming words. So the sentence will be, do you know the color of snow? Next one is, have you found who made the dash? So we can fill up the blanks with sound because sound and found are rhyming words. So the sentence will be, have you found who made the sound? Next one is, put the glass in the sink after you finish your dash. So we can fill up the blank with drink. Sink and drink are rhyming words. So the sentence will be, put the glass in the sink after you finish your drink. Next question is, the spellings of these words are jumbled. Put them right and make sentences of your own. So friends, some words have jumbled letters. Let's arrange them in a meaningful word. Then we will make sentences using those words. First set of letters are W-O-K-N. So the correct word will be know. K-N-O-W. In a sentence, we can use this word as we must know about history of our country. Next one is W-I-S-M. So the right spelling will be S-W-I-M. Swim. Sentence can be I cannot swim in deep water. Next one is D-A-E-L, which is lead, L-E-A-D. And the sentence can be lead can sink in water. Next one is B-L-A-R-M-E, which is marble, M-A-R-B-L-E. In a sentence, we can use this word as children love to play with marbles. Next one is L-L-I-H-S, which is hills, H-I-L-L-S. In a sentence, we can use this word as the hills are very steep. Now, let's write. We will discuss the questions and write the answers. First one is, why do cats and dogs fight? Now, there is no certain reason of this question. However, answer of this question can be, both cats and dogs love milk. They usually fight over milk. Also, they are fearful of each other and hence they fight. Next question is, why do we walk across the road, not run? So answer of this question is, we don't run but walk across the road to avoid accidents. There are so many vehicles on the road, so we should not run on the road. Third question is, why do people like ice cream? Now answer of this question vary from person to person. So the answer can be, most of the people like ice cream because it is very tasty. It melts easily in our mouth and we can enjoy its taste available in different flavors. So the last question of this chapter is, write down at least 2 questions using why. Friends, this is an open-ended question. You may write any question that comes to your mind using why. For example, why is the sky blue? Or why do flowers have fragrance? Friends, knowing the answers will help you in school. Knowing how to question will help you in life. So keep questioning and satisfy your curiosity. If you find this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.